Right in Sam's Club. As soon as I walk in, look right here, $9.88 for a 20 ounce. We have the eggs and $17.98. We do have the mini eggs, a 42 ounce. This is a really big bag. A really one. This should last you, if you're very good, it should last you all year. They still have a Godiva, $18.98, so $19. Nothing on discount. Oh my gosh, they're playing that one song. All I think of is the Spirit Fingers from you know, the movie Bring It On. $20.98, that one song, the Spirit Finger song. They're playing that in here. I don't even know what it's called. They have the gummies and everything. You get 84. Wow, 84 for $14.93. Ooh, they have heart shape. You know what? I keep thinking Valentine's Day is over. I don't know why. $14.98. I was just talking about like dresses and stuff with my daughter, and I'm like, okay, because there's so many things going on. We got like everybody's birthday, everybody's this and that, and it's like, okay, I'm thinking we passed Valentine's, but yeah, hearts. I have never seen that. They're shaped like hearts. $14.98. You don't need it. Okay, I do like this necklace right here. It's Hustle, $180. I feel like I need that Hustle necklace in my life. And they do have a love one. There's no price on this one. Okay, we have a jewelry. Let me pan out. Let me cover them. Some of these do not have a price on them, and you know that does stink. No price. It's another cute heart necklace right here. Me pan in. There's no price on it. That's really, really pretty too. All right, if you want to grow, I think our garden's dead. We started a garden last, what, 2 years ago, whatever. Maybe about almost a year.
Except my date tree is growing.
The date tree is growing, but I think everything else is dead. We got seedless grapes here. Nothing. Yeah, the only thing that's growing is the dates. Potatoes, onions, strawberry, goji berry, grapes, more grapes. All right. So they're here. Grow your own rooted plants. Do you see it? $13.98. $13.98. And then $14.98. Look at all this one. Oh, those are pretty. I love the colors. Love, love, love. The other day I was coming home, and this guy, he was just like walking his kid or whatever, like on a bike, and he was all like, I love your guys' grass. I'm like, I don't know why everyone keeps saying it, because my gardener, he just throws a lot of weed stuff down. Oh, yeah, and everyone's like, I love your grass. I'm like, okay.
Like clovers and like wildflowers. Yeah, it's like
$21.97. Look at, okay, these are new. The Winnie the Pooh and Tigger one are going to be new. They had Bluey last year, I think so, and they have Stitch. They might look a little different. These are $22. Perfect if you're going to a park, any type of amusement park theme. If you're going on vacation, I do know these bubble blowers do cost more money now, but you get two here. This is really cute. And look at the Woody and Buzz Lightyear. That is super adorable. Super, super adorable. Hey, the farmhouse went down at $39.66. $39.66. The Chelsea doll bundle is $26.10 right now. I am listening to the worst Prince cover in my life in the store. $14.29 on the Pokemon plush. Look how cute on the hummingbird, and then you get the dog too. Really, really adorable. They're going to be $22.98. And again on the Rose Legos, $47.98. I will tell you, these do fall apart. My daughter has like, her and her boyfriend did like 4 of these or whatever, like the little ones. And the stems, they're like always falling and they just fall apart. So it's kind of pain in the butt. Unless you want to super glue them, you can. 150, we got the Bluey bungee system on top on the doodle dog statue. Is that a doodle dog? I don't know. $59.88. Look how fun. 250. Splash and slide. It's the first one. My first water slide. Look at all that. A lot of fun in the summer. 250. They also have the one pool set right here. It is $449. Okay, we're getting ready to spring and a summer vibe. Spring and summer vibe. And we are in January. Where did winter go? It didn't really come. But now we're getting snow and cold rain. So we got it late. 250 for the camper. This is a 12-person. Now, I need a divider. I need something. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I'm like, when I'm at that point in my life, like, I don't want to like turn around and look at somebody. All right, bunch of balloons are $24.96 here. You know, they always bring them out. If you're needing a chair, only $24.98. It's an hard arm chair. Weight limit 325 pounds. 325 pounds. You get the rocker right here, which is going to be the road trip rocker. $89.98. 460 pounds. And the canopy next to me is 120. Members Mark waterproof 24 backpack. Look at that. Look how cute. You can make sunflower. We have a sunflower garden kit. Grow a stunning show-stopping sunflower display. Okay, this is $20. You get also something to incorporate with your little children too. Seed packs. You know what? And the bees are out. There was a bee in my car the other day. I was like, the bees are here in winter. Really weird. And $11.68. Rose bushes. Okay. Down here at the bottom, the potting mix, 55 quart bag, $12.98. And then $94.97. We have the elevated garden bed. Yeah. So I think our garden's dead. We have one of these. I think we should start over.
Me too.
I think we should empty it.
I think that bird seed they got in there started choking everything to death.
Yeah.
Like a big old
Corn. The corn took it. Yeah. Yeah. And I think, yeah, because we have like water. Is our watermelon even growing?
I don't know.
I think it's dead.
I think our son forgot to water.
$94.97. $10.98 here. Velvet hangers. $10.98. Just $1 off. And more instant savings on the lint roller. $7.98. Always good to have one in your car, and you get 4. So perfect if you're wearing black clothing. Okay, Sam's Night. This is a traveling bag. This one is $64.87. Zipper at the bottom. Good traveling bag. $64.87. And the laundry hamper is $19.98. Perfect. This is perfect.
Anytime you see a Samsonite, do you think of Dumb and Dumber? Just
No.
Every time.
I haven't seen that movie in a long time. Pillows are 10 here. These are the cooling gel memory foam for $70 each for the 6-ounce Hershey Kiss. Hershey's Pot of Gold is $13.98. Okay, we have Quicksilver hoodie. These are going to be $12.98, so not bad. It says Quicksilver up here up front, and then we'll open it, and then you have it in the back. It comes in green and navy blue, $12.98. And the sweatshirts, we have a lobster, $17.76. The American flag. See the flag one. And USA. And a $19.98 here. Okay. They have Hello Kitty, cinnamon roll, Care Bears. Oh, they're weighted. They're 3 pounds. There's a 3-pounder Snoopy. I was like, he feels heavy. The Care Bear one's cool because, you know, he's grumpy. I would get this one. That's just me. But these are $20. How cute. $27.98 for the 2-pound snow crab. Now this one did go up. I normally used to buy this. It was only 20, but it went up $7. I mean, still not bad. You get plenty. It's 2 pounds, and there's usually leftover too. We have Detroit style deep dish double pepperoni, $12.97. It is kind of giving me the Costco, Motor City. But you know, the last couple times we bought the Motor City pizza, it was really mushy and gross, you guys. I don't know if anybody had that yet, but I wonder if we got one that was like out and then they put back in the freezer. But it would happen more than once though.
Yeah, because the first time I got it, it was like eating a
it was good.
Pizza Hut
deep dish.
The pizza, the big
box.
dinner box.
Yeah.
It's good. Yeah.
Alright, we have salsa verde bowl, $13.36, and you will get 2 in here. There's something quick, dinner on the go, coming home. 9 grams of protein right here, chicken breakfast, $10.94. I've never had a chicken sausage. I tried one time, you guys, like to buy it, and I did, but my freezer shut off. Like I don't know what happened. And I had that in the fridge, but I got like these Hawaiian ones that had like apples or something. All right, the red velvet cake. It is, you know, we've seen it before. $19.98 with the cream cheese icing, so $20. And over here we have the Italian cream cake. It looks like coconut shavings on the side. I'm not a fan of coconut. It is a 5-layer for $20. And they did have the double chocolate, like the dark chocolate. And remember Costco used to carry the chocolate one. I used to call it the Matilda cake, but they don't anymore. $17.98 here. The 4-pack went down, so $2. Really pretty colors. And you guys, you know, you could pierce the top and put a little cool charm. Target has charms, so you can make one yourself, you know, with charms from Hobby Lobby because they're like 50% off. There you go. And the face mask, $17.98 right here. I think you only get 5. Oh, you get 8. Okay, 8. And of course the overnight one, which you can find in the TJ Maxx, but it's not open. There's $17.98. Alright, you guys, and the Dove Men Care still on a discount, $14.98. You get 2. $8.96 for a 2-pack of Caress. I think I'm gonna pick one up, and I'm thinking I'm gonna pick that up too because I always try to store when I find these on discount. Dove is not on discount. It is still 18 something. So yeah. Alright, you guys, I think that's gonna do it for this Sam's Club walkthrough. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe out there. Please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me in the YouTube world. Truly does help me. I just want a thumbs up so I could, like, you know, I got stuff. Please stay safe.